Welcome to Oriental Public School preschool learning videos.
Let's learn English alphabets. A stands for alpaca. B stands for bat. C stands for C is for cat. D stands for deer. E stands for eel. F stands for F is for frog. G stands for goose. H stands for hermit crab. I stands for iguana. J stands for jaguar. K stands for koala. L stands for lion. M stands for monkey. N stands for narwhal. O stands for otter. P stands for polar bear. Q stands for quail. R stands for rooster. S stands for shark. T stands for turtle. U stands for urchin. V stands for vulture. W stands for warthog. X stands for X-ray fish. Y stands for yak. Z stands for Z is for zebra. Hope you have learned all the alphabets.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.